Are you tired of the hassle of manually opening your garage door every day? Consider this. The weight capacity of your garage door opener is crucial for smooth operation and durability. Optimize your space and enhance convenience with the right opening mechanism tailored to your needs. Choose the drive style that balances affordability, durability, and noise level for your peace of mind. Ensure energy efficiency and climate control with well-insulated garage doors and smart opener feature. Prioritize safety for your loved ones and belongings with advanced safety features in your garage door opener. Elevate your home's curb appeal with a garage door opener that complements your style and enhances functionality. Ready to upgrade your garage door opener? Contact Top Garage Doors Boca Raton today for expert assistance.